Hi guys, sorry for the short notice. I was going to videotape this one, but I thought, you know, it might be better if we did it live. So we're going to do the skill of the week. One of them, we're going to make some carpet fresh, and we're going to make a couple little satchels here for some drawers and for the cupboard for your closet, whatever you hang your clothes in. So really easy, really simple, homemade, and this week's skill, as you guys know, is do-it-yourself home essentials. I want to freshen up for the holidays. Hi. So like I said, I thought we would do this together instead of me filming it. It's going to only take a few minutes. So we're going to make some carpet fresh. If you have pets, this is really great. It's super easy to make. You guys probably all know about baking soda. It's really good odor eater and great for your carpets, but we're going to make this a little more, a little bit better. We're going to add in some green tea, because if you didn't know, tea in particular, especially green tea, is a really good absorbent, absorbs odors really well. So we're going to put in some green tea. I'm also going to put in some lavender because we want our carpets to smell really nice as well. So this is really easy, super simple. It takes 2 minutes. We're going to do it together. That way I don't have to film it. I might film it anyway. So this is about 2 cups, one of these jars. Oh, this might be hard in here. So let's see what we get in here. Well, it's spilling everywhere. So you want about a cup in there. You can make more. I mean, you can double this recipe. I just got a smaller jar. So maybe a little bit more in there. Alright. Breathe that in there. I feel like I'm just going to brush my teeth. Alright, so baking soda. Really simple. Green tea. Now you can crush this up if you want. Either way. So we're going to put in, I'm actually going to use my measuring cup I have right here. This is a half a cup I'm going to put in. I like to crush it up just a little bit. Like I said, you can put this in a coffee grinder. I'm not going to. My vacuum's pretty good. But if you don't want all these bits there, I'm going to just do it manually right now. But like I said, just put it in a coffee grinder real quick. So, and I have, like I said, about a cup of baking soda. Let's do that right in there. Like half a cup. And this is just Chinese green tea. It's a nice green tea. There's lots of leaves in there, so it's going to absorb really well. And you can sprinkle this on and leave it overnight. You could just leave it for a half hour or so, like you would from the stuff you buy from the store. But again, this has got no chemicals in it. It's just all natural. So we'll get about half a cup there. I don't know where my funnel is, guys. Terrible, making a huge mess. Mix that up. And then we want about a quarter cup of this. So lavender. And a quarter cup. See if we can get in there. I don't know. There's my funnel. Right in front of me. I looked all over for it. It's because it's not in the right spot. Alright. So of course I mixed up all my lids here. Here we go. So how's it going? How's your day going? Shake it up. So this is it, guys. This is your carpet fresh. You just sprinkle this on. You can use your hand if you don't have, like, you know, you put holes in this. Don't just dump it on because it's going to come out in a clump, I promise you. It'll make a big mess. Then you'll have to wipe it off, and that one spot's always going to have a little bit of baking soda in it. It's not going to be nice, so... Shake it out with your hand. Put some holes in this. Save one of the old tubes from the store. And there you go. You can smell it already. You can even add more lavender if you want it more smelly. It smells really nice. Wish you could smell it. And that's it. So you just put this on. Like I said, you can just leave it for 20 minutes, half hour. You can leave it overnight if you don't have any worry of kids or animals. And then you just vacuum it up. And that's it. That's really simple, homemade, organic, natural carpet fresh. So I made a huge mess here. That's okay. So now, I don't know about you guys, but often in the winter, we get little bugs coming in here and there. So we can do some multi-purpose sacks here for the drawers and for your closets and stuff. We're going to make the first one is going to be specifically for moths. I actually need this again. So moths get in, you know, you can buy those moth balls, but this is just fill one of these up, put it in your cubby, and it's good for a while, or a closet, or wherever you hang your clothes. So this one we're going to put a little Epsom salt in. Now my bag isn't great, so the Epsom salt might come through, but it's just salt. So I'm just going to bring this over here. So I'm literally just going to put in a couple handfuls. Like I said, this one's going to be for moths. So I'm going to put in a couple pinches of lavender. So it's also going to smell good. I think we'll put in 3. Alright. Okay. And then cloves. If I can get it open. Alright. I'm going to put in at least 2 little pinches, because they really don't like the cloves. You can shake it up if you want, but really that's it. You just hang it in your closet, and it's going to help keep away moths. It will keep away other bugs too, but specifically moths will not come in there. And it smells amazing. So there you go, 30 seconds. That one's great. I really like that one. So I also like to put them in the drawers. So we're going to put some cloves in this one and bay leaves. And this is going to help with like weevils. I don't really get them here, but it will help with weevils, any silverfish, things like that. So this one's going to be a couple bay leaves. Get them out of here. I really need a bigger bay leaf jar. So we're just going to put in a couple bay leaves. We're going to put in some cloves. Or actually, that's going to be it for that one. It smells really good. So this one's good. You can put in any drawer. You can hang it in the closet too, and it'll keep away like the little bugs. So the bay leaf starts to, like, it doesn't smell right now, but after it sits for a while, you pick up the bag and you're going to smell bay leaf. It's just tricky like that. So and then the last one is pretty much the same as before, except we're going to do lavender. 2 pinches here. And a pinch of cloves. A big pinch. So, and again, this one's going to work for different critters, different bugs. If you can mix in a little tea tree in there, if you don't mind the smell, it'll help with any kind of fleas, bed bugs, anything like that. I think I'm actually going to throw in there a cinnamon stick as well. Anything that's really smelly, it's going to help keep stuff away. So again, that's it. So we have our little bugs for our moths, our carpet fresh, and it only took like 10 minutes to make these little items. And they're going to help keep your home fresh, your drawers fresh, all that good stuff. So really easy, guys, to make this stuff at home. And these make little nice gifts for anybody too who's maybe just moving into their first apartment or home. Maybe they just got engaged or married, things like that. So anybody got a new pet, you know, put this in their pet basket, things like that. So as well as for you and your home, they're good for gifts. So I have one more last little project we're going to do on Saturday. I'll probably just film that one. It's really easy and cute and fun, and it's going to look really nice on my counter. And I already tested it out. Look, I guess they'll follow me. I already tested it out, and let's just say it smells really good and looks really pretty. So I can't wait to show you guys on Saturday. But I popped on early tonight. I apologize. I know usually I do after supper, but I have a few things I have to do, and I have an important call I have to make, and I just thought now or never. So there you go. Smells great. I'm going to put these in my drawers. I'm going to do some vacuuming a little bit after supper, and I'm going to clean up this mess right now. So there you go. That wraps it up for today. Thanks for hanging out. And if you guys want these specific, like, detailed recipes, let me know. I'll write them down. Or I won't write them down. I'll post them for you. Basically, you know, just a cup of baking soda, add some tea, even regular tea, guys. If you don't have green tea, regular tea will work as well. Green tea is just a little bit better. So there you go. So have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.